Here we want to first download the install program for the fix, and part of that fix is the ADK. It's a toolkit that's provided by Windows, so you need to download that first. I will provide a link in the description so you can just go right there to the download. It's Windows 10 and the version is the 1093. So you want to get that first. Once you have downloaded that, you want to go ahead and open it and then run the installation. It's like basically a program that you're going to install. So it's a pretty long install. It did not run very fast for me. May run faster on your PC, but once you get it up, you run the installer, and then you will go through a few options. So once you start up, you should see this icon, and then preceded by or followed by this location of where you want to do the install. So you just pick the first option there as the default. Then you select the next button and go to the next screen. Okay, here we want to select yes here for this option. Make sure we turn this on. I think I did no for this option because I didn't care for sending the data back in, so I didn't want to worry about that. Go ahead and accept the license agreement. Move forward with that if you're in agreement, and make sure you check the very first box. If it's unchecked, we need to check that one. Okay, make sure you check the first box of the feature. We want that one. The rest of these should remain as the same, and then we click our next button, and the program is going to go through its installation for the deployment program here, and this may take several minutes. Mine took up to about 7 to 10 minutes.